mean by props. Props is the way we send the data from one component to another component. This is called props. Props are read-only components. It's an object which stores the value of attributes of a tag, which are similar to the HTML attributes. It allows passing data from one component to another components. It is similar to function arguments and can be passed to the component the same way as arguments passed in a function. Props are immutable, so we cannot modify the props from inside the components. So we will see now how to work with props actually. So in order to work with props, I need to create another test component. That is the class. We are working with a class, right? We need to create a class test component, another test component, and we have to make use of the component over here. So in order to make use of the component here, what I'm writing is I'm writing that particular class name test here. So here I'm passing the test here, but instead of passing the test here, we have to import that one also, because we are calling that, right? We are making use of the class, right? So import test from, like that we can write test, we can write. Okay, so now what is happening is, now what we need to do, we have to make use of these values. These are the state values. We have to pass it to another function. Props is the property which passes the data from one component to another component, right? So in this, what we need to do is, suppose name is like, we are declaring the name as name equal to, how earlier we used to access this one. The similar way we have to write here, this dot state dot name. Okay, and what is happening, the city equal to what we need, this dot state dot city. Okay, so similar way how we write. So in order to make use of this one here, so what we need here is, from we have to write the props actually. This dot, in order to access that data, we have to write this dot. What we need to access, props dot name, right? And another thing is what, this dot properties only we have to access, right? Props dot city, we have declared only two things, city. Okay, so this is coming as name equal to, and this is city equal to. So we'll see what will happen. Wow, something didn't come. Name equal to Ram and city equal to Bangalore. Wonderful.